So everybody? Okay, so everybody. So we just have Derek. So we just want to check it out. This is something. It's just anything to do. Yeah, that's it. Oh. So this. Okay, we just have it. So everybody? Okay, so yeah, you say yeah. Okay, we just have it. Alright guys. Alright guys. Well, hey guys, so this is Derek Hedgehog Productions. So we just have it. You know this? Here we go. So everything? So this is. You said, yeah. This is. You know this? You know this? Okay, guys. Oh, 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 oh. Oh no! Alright guys. Look at these guys. Oh yeah. Yeah! Okay, here's something. So everything it's gonna be okay. Yeah. Hey. Good job, Luna. Yeah. Boom. Yeah. Yeah. I can do this. I can do that. I can do this. Okay. Okay. So, are we friends?
Yeah, we are. Yeah, we're friends.
Yeah, okay. Oh yeah. This is it. Okay. Yeah, you see it is. Just see. Yeah, this is cool. It is cool. It is cool. It is cool. It is it. Oh. That's all the fireworks. Remember?
What's your favorite color, Darren?
I think it would go any color. I could go with rainbow. Let's just go. Okay. Jack and Riley. Okay. Yeah.
Hey, Darren, do you remember my name?
Riley.
Yeah.
Are you friends? Yes. I'm 100 years old. Are you? USA. Is that USA?
It does, that's what it says.
Okay.
Darren, that's cool, huh?
Yeah. Yeah. say Trump. 45? 45.
Is it
Yep,
done yet?
yep, 45. Okay. Yeah, this is it, a B. Oh, the USA turns a color. It turns off? Uh-oh. Are they done? We're done? Really? Oh, we're done. Well, thank you, guys.
Oh, good. Nice dancing.
Well, thank you for seeing me. Good to see you. What is this? All right, we're done. We're done, guys.
Yeah, how was that?
We're good. Yep.
Of the fireworks?
Yep.
Did you? Good.
We're done, guys.
Did you make friends?
Yep. We're done.
You want to say hi?
Oh, okay. See
We're
you.
probably going to go back to my place
see you,
and burn
Brent.
some stuff.
See you, dude. Oh yeah.
We're going to burn some stuff.
You gonna have fire?
Yeah.
Nice stuff, brother.
And see you, Megan.
Nice seeing
I gotta clean my eyes out because I got a little bit.
And see you, Charlie.
Charlie said it was better than
Hey, Charlie.
Okay, see you,
How are they
Charlie.
gonna play baseball?
Well, thank you, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah. Charlie.
Alright, well, we're gonna head to the car.
Yep.
We're gonna head to a car show.
Yep, we're done. Okay, thank you.
Alright.
All right.
Sounds good.
Yeah, for describe. Thank you for describing. Describe YouTube channel and down below. And this is me. And Derek is a Gibby. Derek's the best. I'm a fancy guy. Derek's a